Hello everyone. In today's class, we will discuss about topographic survey and contour map. So this topographic survey is also known as the topo survey. And topo survey is a detailed measurement and mapping of the natural as well as man-made objects over the earth surface. And जो टोपोग्राफिक सर्वे है ये रिप्रेजेंट करता है अर्थ को इन 3D form. So the purpose of this contour survey is to produce a topographic map of the earth surface. Now this topographic survey includes natural features as well as man-made. So which type of natural features like streamline, gullies, ditches, इसके साथ साथ man-made features like bridges, culvert, roads, etc. And it also includes the contour lines or elevations. जो टोपोग्राफी है या सरफेस का एलिवेशन है इसे भी टोपोग्राफिक सर्वे में कंसीडर किया जाता है. नाउ व्हाई वी डू दिस टोपोग्राफिक सर्वे? So this topographic survey help us in the decision making. Any kind of decision making related to planning, construction of building, transportation, human environment, legal boundaries या किसी भी ऑनरशिप के लिए बाउंड्रीज प्रिपेयर करनी है, किसी गवर्नमेंटल पर्पस के ऑनरशिप के लिए बाउंड्रीज असाइन करनी है या बाउंड्रीज डिसाइड करनी है. देन detailed study of inspection and planning, designing and stabilizing the property boundaries, mapping, data accumulation, construction layout of survey, precision measurement and control survey etc. several purposes के लिए ये topographical survey यूज होता है in the decision making. Now this is the topographic map. So this map shows the settlement, river network, road network, forest areas, water bodies. So whatever the features are existing over the earth surface, these all features are plotted into the topographic map. And this is a topographical map and each object is represented by the different symbol. So whenever you will see the topographic map, you will get the map with some legends or symbol and different symbol will represent the different object. Like here, this first feature representing the toll, roads, bridges, etc. The roads are represented by red color. The streams are represented by cyan color or dashed black color. Trees are in green color. Helipads or airports are represented by the sign of aeroplane. So these are the symbols, standard symbols which are used in topographical map for the different objects. Now in the topographic survey, we have seen contour lines, natural feature and man-made features. So what is this contour lines? So contour lines or contour maps are imaginary lines of equal elevation and ये elevation जो होगा वो above the datum होगा. So here in this image we can see this image having the contours of different values or different elevations and same elevation points को join करके ये contour lines form की गई है. Now ये this one is the 2D but यदि इसे 3D में देखें तो ये कुछ इस तरह से दिखाई देगा. जो कंटूर जो एलिवेशन है ये अबव द डेटम कंसीडर करते हैं, अबव द डेटम होता है. सो 1100 अबव द डेटम, देन 1200, 1300 एंड 1400. सो 1400 इज द हाईएस्ट एलिवेशन व्हिच इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द hilly areas as compared to this lower elevations. Now this contours never crosses to the each other except some cases. So some cases are like overhanging cliff. So in overhanging cliff, contour can cross the each other. So here in this first image, you can see this is the contour of 250 meters elevation, and this one is the 200-meter elevation, and contours are crossing each other. While in normal case, contour never crosses to each other. So whenever it crosses, it means there is a overhanging cliff. In general, contours never crosses each other and not even unite each other. But in case of overhanging cliff, it crosses each other, and in case of vertical cliff, it unite at a place. Like here we can see the contour of 350, 300, 350, 400. Each contours are uniting at a place. So इस case में it is known as the vertical cliff where contours are uniting. Now close contour indicates a steep slope and far apart contours indicate the gentle slope. So here we can see these contours are slope. So this is the 2D representation and same contours को 3D में देखा जाए तो ये represent कर रहा है hills को. Similarly, when the contours are far, उस केस में the slope is gentle. So here we can see at this place there is a little hills, but इस साइड में जो कंटूर्स हैं ये थोड़े ज्यादा डिस्टेंस में है और यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं इस प्लेस पे ये फ्लैट साइड में मूव कर रहा है या ग्रेडियंट स्लोप है. इन दिस इमेज ऑल्सो वी कैन सी. तो क्लोज कंटूर इंडिकेट स्टीप स्लोप एंड फार अपार्ट कंटूर इंडिकेट द जेंटल स्लोप. एंड यदि इक्वली स्पेस्ड है कंटूर उस केस में ये यूनिफॉर्म स्लोप को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. लाइक in this image we can see this contours are spaced equally and here slope are uniform. Now यदि हायर एलिवेशन की वैल्यू जो है रिंग फॉर्म कर रही है इन सेंटर में उस केस में रिप्रेजेंट करता है हील्स को एंड लोअर वैल्यू है इनसाइड दी all contours as compared to surrounding contours ये represent करता है ponds and depression को. So in both image we can see in first image the higher contour that is 637 meters का contour है center में and outer contour है that is 500 meters. So ये higher contour center में इस केस में ये hills को represent करेगा and lower value का contour है उस केस में ये depressions या ponds को represent करेगा. Now, if the concavity of higher elevation contour is towards the lower elevation means जो ये concavity है higher elevation के contour की ये है lower contour के side में इस केस में ये ridge line होगी and इसके just opposite होगा जब lower वैल्यू का कंटूर की कॉन्केटिविटी होगी टुवर्ड्स दी हायर वैल्यू कंटूर इस केस में वैली लाइन फॉर्म होगी. सो दैट इज ऑल अबाउट द टोपोग्राफिक सर्वे एंड कंटूर मैप. थैंक यू.